Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time what we have is an absolutely delicious breakfast wrap. Yes, a breakfast wrap with cheese, eggs, ham, a little bit of onion in there. Absolutely beautiful, dead simple to make. Got everything we need to make it over here. I'm going to tell you what the exact ingredients are and how much this has cost. To begin with, we have 2 eggs, which cost me 28 pence. We got 1 onion at 9 pence. We got about 30 grams of mozzarella at 30 pence. We got 1 slice of ham, which cost me 27 pence, and we got 1 tortilla wrap, which is 12 pence. Now, if we put all of that together, this beautiful breakfast wrap comes out at £1 6 pence. Dead simple to make, really filling, makes an excellent breakfast. So let's get to it. Okay, now I'm going to make it in this small bowl, but first of all, what I'm going to do is just cut a little of this onion. Probably won't use the whole onion actually, just to give it a little bit of flavour. There we go. Right, what I'll do is I'll just chop that up a little bit. Right, I'm saying that's enough onion. So what I'll do is I'll wrap that and stick it in the fridge, use that later. But now what we want is the eggs into the bowl. So I'll just crack them and get them in. Like that. And we just want to whisk these. And to that I have some ham here, I have just a slice of ham. And what I'm going to do is just cut that into small pieces. And then we will add that to the egg. Right, we'll just get all of that in there. Very good. Give that a mix up. And then the onion. Get the onion in there, like so. This comes together in minutes as well, actually. Very simple and beautiful dish to make. I think what I'll do is I'll give that a little pinch of salt, and I'll also give it a crack of black pepper. Right, we'll give it another mix and then we're off to the hob. Right, now on the hob what we have is a fairly large pan, fairly large frying pan, and to that I'm going to add a little oil, not too much. We want to get that oil heated up a little bit first, and as soon as it is, we want to get our egg, ham and onion mix into there. Very good. Now we can just push this around a little bit until that starts to cook through, which will seriously just be a few seconds. Turn that up just a touch. Right, that egg's coming together already. And I do like to keep this moving, same as making an omelette really. Want to keep it moving, make sure the heat's not too high, but enough to bring it together. Right, and with that done, I'm now going to put the mozzarella on top. Just make sure we're not sticking anywhere. Very good. And the next thing would be to stick this wrap on top of that whole thing. And then just give that a minute or two, and then we'll see if it's loose on the bottom of the pan, and we will indeed flip it. Okay, and again, that's just a couple of minutes later, and we're going to flip that whole thing. Whoops, missed a bit there. That's okay. We can get that up and get that back in. Right, spread that out on the wrap, and we want this wrap to cook for a short while. And what we'll do with that is at this point we will fold it over and just let that brown a little on the bottom. This smells beautiful. I know it looks a little sloppy, but it smells beautiful. It's going to be fantastic. Okay, that's had another couple of minutes on the other side. Flip it over. That is looking absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just going to cut into that. Look at this, folks. This is going to be fantastic. I'm just going to get this on my plate. Okay, look at this. One absolutely delicious breakfast wrap. Smells fantastic. I'm going to get it on the table, cut some off, and I'm going to have a taste of this. My mouth is watering, and this is going to be something. And how simple was that to make? That just comes together very, very easily. You could even prepare that the night before and just pop it in the pan in the morning. You've got yourself a marvellous breakfast. Yes, that's a good way to start the day. The only thing I'm missing is a cup of coffee here, but that's okay. I'll get one in a moment. But the wrap is nice and soft. The egg is nice and fluffy, beautifully cooked. ham, marvellous. And as I say, this whole wrap, £1.6. That's a hearty breakfast for £1.6. I don't know what they charge in the shops for these, but I bet you it's more than £1.6. Considerably more. Beautiful. So I think that's probably one of the shortest videos I've ever done, but an absolutely delicious outcome. So if you fancy a quick breakfast, please do try this. You won't be disappointed. Very, very tasty, very filling, just what you want. So can I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, very simple food, always delicious, always very inexpensive, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. I think next week we're having another very simple recipe, which is Welsh cakes. Beautiful little sort of unrisen scones sort of thing, done on the hob. Absolutely delicious though, Welsh cakes. So if you would like to see that, as I say, please do subscribe to the channel. And in the meantime, I'm going to finish off this beautiful breakfast wrap, and I thank you very much for watching.